TRAC's long-term partnership with Penreach is transforming education outcomes for young learners along the Maputo Corridor. Focused on improving literacy and numeracy in the foundation phase, the collaboration tackles deep-rooted challenges such as language barriers that make it harder for children to understand what they read.
Good morning. My name is Susanna Behrendt. I am the Chief Operating Officer of Penreach, and I'm at the moment the Acting Chief Executive Officer. 10 years ago, we were approached by TRAC N4 to form a partnership to work in schools along the N4 highway. TRAC approached us because they were aware of the work that we were doing in teacher development and school leadership, and they had the vision that collaboratively we could have an impact on teaching quality and leadership quality, as well as providing reading resources in these schools. The Penreach and TRAC N4 partnership is extremely powerful because it combines the infrastructure development that TRAC can provide with the in-classroom and community support that Penreach can provide. And it has meant a lot for the schools involved because every classroom now has books, the teacher is capacitated to instruct in literacy to her optimal, and the school leadership are able to support and create an enabling environment for the teachers and the learners to thrive.
Through the Asifunze Literacy and Numeracy Program and the Penreach Courageous Leadership Development Program, the initiative supports primary schools with reading corners, toy libraries, teacher workshops, and after-school reading camps. These camps also offer learners a safe space for academic support beyond classroom hours. Penreach, one of the largest NGOs of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere, also helps upskill teachers and school leaders. With a strong focus on data, leadership tracking tools, and digital learning support, the program has made meaningful progress, equipping educators, empowering communities, and improving learners' performance in home language, English, and maths.